Are you looking for the best drones under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. V168 GPS drone. With foldable arms, compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, can connect to APK system to take photos, videos and transmit images in real time through mobile phone camera. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3000 m. 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 6K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide various HD images and videos. With altitude hold mode function to provide stable flight. Orbital movement will allow the aircraft to fly in circles, providing cooler camera angles. Waypoint flight mode, simply draw a route on screen with the helicopter as the given path. Flight time of up to 22-25 minutes. No need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flight. One-touch return function. You can easily find your way home. One-touch takeoff/landing. One button auto takeoff or landing. The drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. Number 2. SG18 Pro 4K GPS drone. 1 key GPS return to the takeoff point. Low battery return, no signal return. After the aircraft is connected to the GPS, turn on the APP follow function, and the aircraft will follow the movement of the mobile phone. 2 image tracking, 1 to 5 meters away from the aircraft to identify the subject and automatically follow the flight. Gesture shooting recognition, within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, make a camera gesture facing the camera. Route multi-point planning flight, the aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Fixed point circling, find the center point of circling, and then move the desired circling radius through the joystick. Aircraft retrieval function, click the GPS signal icon 3 times continuously to open the map interface, and the map will display the final distance, latitude and longitude position of the aircraft. MV function, filters, video effects, adding background music, picture, video sharing. Number 3. KF102 GPS RC drone. Capture stunning visuals with the drone's 8K HD video recording feature, offering a resolution of 7680 x 4320 for every detail. The 2-axis gimbal camera mount ensures smooth and stable footage, reducing camera vibrations and delivering unshaken videos and photos. Experience seamless control and real-time transmission with the 5G Wi-Fi connection, enhancing your FPV photography experience. This feature automatically corrects camera movements, ensuring clear and sharp images even during high-speed flights or turbulent winds. With a flight time of up to 22 minutes. This drone allows for extensive exploration and capture of aerial views. Weighing less than 1 kilogram, this drone is easy to carry and maneuver, making it ideal for both beginners and professional photographers. Number 4. Lenovo Op1 Pro GPS drone. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and is electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultra-long battery life, 3.7 volts 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery. Battery life is about 35 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the APP mobile phone control. 1 key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance gimbal components, Stop without collision when encountering obstacles. Brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life. 5 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. No fear of crashing. The product is light in size and weight, which can avoid aviation control. Number 5. F10RC Drone. Equipped with HD real-time transmission camera, F10 makes you enjoy first-person view FPV. See the beautiful scenery from the camera clearly and smoothly. This drone provides smooth FPV transmission within a range of up to 120 meters. You can capture and record 1080p HD aerial footage, and share it instantly on social media through app. After improving several times, 4D F10 is a versatile drone, can perform stunts like 360 degrees flip, high-speed rotation and etc. And you can draw a route on the app screen and the hover drone will fly following the path accordingly. Last but not least, there are 3 ratio options available to meet all kinds of needs. You can have fun with this mini foldable drone. The big drone is suitable for beginner. Press the 1 key start, landing button. The drone will take off or landing automatically. There are 2 speed switch. Low-speed drone suitable for kids and beginners, high-speed drone suitable for adults and professional operation. With 1 key return, press the button in emergency situations and get it returned to you, so it can't be lost. With default altitude hold, the FPV drone can hover stably at a fixed height while releasing the remote control. Headless mode and 1 key start, land button make the camera drone for kids super easy to handle. With 3 speeds for different levels from newbies to professionals,